What questions should you ask a dog's owner if you've been injured by a dog bite or a dog attack? Hi, I'm Josh Rorscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois. And if you've been injured in a dog attack and you're comfortable talking to the dog's owner, there's some information we'd recommend you try to gather. First, get the owner's name and address. Second, ask the owner if they have any insurance coverage that might apply to your injuries. This would typically be homeowners insurance. It could also be renter's insurance, or in some cases, the dog's owner will have a personal liability umbrella policy. If they're willing to tell you that they have insurance, that's very helpful. You should ask what insurance company they're insured by or who their insurance carrier is, because you will want to open a claim for your injuries with that insurance carrier, or you'll want to talk to your lawyer and have your lawyer open that claim for you, which is probably a better course of action. Next, you'll want to ask the dog's owner if the dog is current on its rabies vaccines. Depending on a number of factors, if the dog is not current on its rabies vaccines, it might be necessary to have a series of painful rabies shots. And if you can get information that helps you determine that that can be avoided, you'll be glad that you did. Finally, if you feel comfortable talking to the dog's owner about this, if you can find out from their owner if the dog had any prior bites or any prior history of violence or aggression, that information can be very helpful, because in cases where a dog has had prior bites, there are kind of two factors. One, there is some risk that there could be some kind of an insurance coverage exclusion, like if the insurance company's already covered a claim related to that dog, they may say, okay, but we're not going to cover any more. And the sooner you're aware of that, the better, because it can help you kind of plan a strategy for dealing with your claim. But second, and what's much more likely to be the case, is if you are bringing a dog bite claim and the dog has a history of aggression or of violence, it may be helpful to you in presenting that information to the insurance company, because it's likely to increase the value of your claim. Someone who keeps a dangerous dog that keeps injuring other people, there's more risk to the insurance company, because the jury might see the dog's owner as a especially careless, reckless, bad actor, and be more likely to punish that dog owner by awarding a higher verdict against them. If you're not comfortable getting any of this information, most of it can be obtained through an animal control report. So animal control will get the name and the address of the owner. They'll talk to them about the rabies vaccine. While the animal control officers usually won't find out for you if there's insurance, there are some steps you can take to do that, or you can get help from a lawyer to find out if there's insurance coverage. And animal control won't kind of automatically tell you if the dog has a prior bite history, but you can file something called a Freedom of Information Act request with animal control to find out if they have any other reports on file concerning the same dog owner or the same dog. And it's a good idea to do that in these cases, again, because if the dog has a prior history of aggression, that can increase the value of your claim. Well, I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions about dog bite cases, I hope you'll reach out. Thanks for watching this video.